ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய் வினை தீருமே, சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே. ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய் வினை தீருமே, சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே. சீதா ராமனை கண்ணால் காண்போம் இன்றே, இருந்த பயன் அடைவோம். ஓம் ராமனை கண்ணால் காண்போம் இன்றே, பிறந்த பயன் அடைவோம். துன்பமோடின்பம் கலந்தது பிரபஞ்சம், துன்பமோடின்பம் கலந்தது பிரபஞ்சம். வெயிலில்லையே நிழலில் இன்பமும் உண்டோ, வெயிலில்லையே நிழலில் இன்பமும் உண்டோ. துயரில்லையே ஐயனை நினைப்பார் உண்டோ, துயரில்லையே ராமனை நினைப்பார் உண்டோ. சோதனை தீயில் உடவிடுவார் நம்மை, சோதனை தீயில் உடவிடுவார். இறங்கி தூக்கி எடுத்தானந்தம் அளித்திடுவார், இறங்கி தூக்கி எடுத்தானந்தம் அளித்திடுவார். அவன் நாமாமிருதம் செவிக்கு திவ்யௌஷதம், ராமநாமாமிருதம் செவிக்கு திவ்யௌஷதம். ஹரே ராம் 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 சீதாராம் ராம் ராம், ஹரே ராம் 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 சீதாராம் ராம் ராம் ராம். ஜெய ராம் 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 என்று ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய் வினை தீருமே, சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே. வீண் சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே. சீதா ராமனை கண்ணால் காண்போம் இன்றே, பிறந்த பயன் அடைவோம். ஓம் பிறந்த பயன் அடைவோம். தேங்க்யூ. Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the stalwarts of our Vidyalaya. As we say, the Tamil Tirukkural, செல்வத்துள் செல்வம் செவிச்செல்வம், அச்செல்வம் செல்வத்துள் எல்லாம் தலை. Tiruvalluvar gives more importance to listening, which we always forget. But these stalwarts of our Vidyalaya are very, very patient listeners. Our maths faculties, PG sir, Kumaresan sir, Jasmine sir, madam, and you can see Rajashri madam. All the three of us I have seen, whoever comes, even a small tiny tot, to the highest official, we can see them. They give first and foremost importance to listening. That is what I have learned from them. Even though I have been a teacher for the past 27 years, I see them listening to a small kid to the last one. Even when I go to ask anything to Justin madam, she listens to me completely and gives a suggestion. And even Kumaresan sir, anything regarding income tax and examination, I have seen him giving patient listening and then a suggestion. Even Rajashri madam, I have contacted her. I had acquaintance with her during the staff club. So whatever suggestions I needed, she has given me in a very positive way, so that I could continue this till now successfully, I should say. And talking about the Sridhar sir, I know Sridhar sir from Kirnagar, a place which was new to me. All were new to me except Sridhar sir when I entered JV Markham. So I had acquaintance with him, and he is also a very helpful person. Whatever work we ask him to do or whatever request is being given to him, immediately he attends to it, and I see him quite busy in this school. And also, you cannot ever forget Rajendran sir. அவர் வணக்கம் சொல்றதே பாருங்க, யாரை பார்த்தாலும் சின்ன குழந்தைய பார்த்தாலும் வணங்கி அப்படி வணக்கம் சொல்லுவார். நிஜமா இப்ப கூட உள்ள நுழையச்சே பாத்தீங்கன்னா வணக்கம், அது யாருக்குமே டக்குன்னு வராது. தமிழ் பண்பாடு அவர்கிட்ட கண்டிப்பா கத்துக்கலாங்க. நம்ம வணக்கம் கைகூப்பி இப்ப எல்லாரும் வணக்கம் சொல்றோம் கோவிட்ல, ஆனா அது அவன் இப்பவும் அப்போலேயே இப்பவும் பின்பற்றுறாரு. Really, I adore him and cannot forget him at all. He is such a nice person. When he came for the physics lab work also, he used to see each and everyone. After his retirement, he came to each and every room, saw us and asked us, Madam, how you are? Such a nice person, and he is also has put in his service, and that is well. And Jasmine Madam, I should say, I have been in acquaintance with the private school. We have been working in SIT, that is Justice Bashir Arwan School. He was a PhD Maths there, where I also worked. So a place which is known to me already. All teachers, I wish them a very happy retired life, and God bless them also. Now I call upon Padma Madam to say a few words.
Respected Principal Madam, Vice Principal Madam. Firstly, speaking about our teachers who are retiring today, I wish them all good luck, peaceful, happy, and healthy retired life. Jasmine Madam, I think I worked with her in AVP Tamram also. So, Kumareshan sir and Rajeshwari Madam, I met them in AVP Tamram only. And I want to speak about Kumareshan sir. If I don't talk about him, okay, injustice. Yes, without ASO in the school, I worked. Of course, police sir was there for 1 year, but ASO illada or 5 year Kumareshan sir இருக்காரு. And completely from 2016 to now, he has completely helped me in all the ways. Establishment Commission, I should really tell, he was there till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I think suppose it was sir, it was 10 o'clock. He was there with us, with Rajesh sir, librarian sir, and completely, my work is very, very less in that. I have to tell this to people. Establishment Commission was done only by recommendations of Rajesh sir. It should have not been done. I was new to this UDC post, and because of him only that was completely finished. And I really thank you, sir. And I think that these 3 teachers, we can't replace them with any other teachers. Such a good, such a wonderful, and very down to earth. They are very, very sincere, hardworking. I think coming, I'm really whatever the new generation is thinking, I don't know. In new generation, I think we don't get such types of teachers hereafter. We are so grateful to you, sir, and Madam Jasmine Madam, Rajeshwari Madam. Rajeshwari Madam, over soundful, very, very coming to the office. Immediately, she'll just open up, she'll speak, and very often, all the 3, very, very less to the office, and very, very less importance. Our personal things are and very, 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 very nice people. We are all going to miss you, sir. I wish all the 3 teachers peaceful, healthy. I wish that please take care of your health hereafter, and please take care of your health, sir. This is very important. After 60 years, please make sure that you go for checkups, and please take care of your health. You should peacefully live and successfully. And to my beloved office staff and our beloved office, Sridhar sir and Rajendra sir, we are all going to miss them also. Because especially examination department, Rajendra sir, definitely they will miss him. And physics lab also. See the sincerity and the work they do, that they call it after retirement. And Rajendra sir, they never said no. I think he has come 2-3 times. Now almost 2-3 times and come work here. Almost 2-3 times he has come and worked for the exam department, and even physics department, practicals also he has said now after retirement. Sridhar sir, I am really going to miss you, sir. சாப்பாடு இனிமேல் நான் யாரை சொல்லி வாங்கி வைக்கிறது, யார்கிட்ட சொல்றது, ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. மத்த ஸ்டாஃப்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்க. But Sridhar sir வந்து even today I'm telling you in front of everybody, today also Sarana Bhavan வந்து வாங்கிட்டு வந்து Sridhar sir தான். Sridhar sir was the person who took patience, who had really had listening to, ஏன்னா நான் ரிட்டையர் ஆயிட்டேன், என்ன வேலை வாங்குறீங்க, அந்த மாதிரி he didn't have that much of this thing. இவருக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு நம்ம சாப்பாடு வந்து வாங்கி கொடுத்தது Sridhar sir தான். See the sincerity and the work he has done, that speaks. And one more thing I want to say is our principal's favorite sub-staff is Sridhar sir. All of them are favorite, but I want to tell you, in Kalayla, today morning, I was almost 3-4 times I called him. His very close friend Murugan sir told me, Madam, அவர் வந்து பிரின்சிபல் மேடம் கூப்பிடல, அதனால எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, நான் ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணாரு. இமிடியேட்லி I called மேடம், உங்க செல்ல பிள்ளை வர ரொம்ப உங்களை பத்தி ரொம்ப இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் யூ டு கால், அண்ட் இமிடியேட்லி மேடம் see upper madam நான் ஏன் கூப்பிடணும், I'm a principal. She didn't say like immediately she said அவ்வளவுதானேம்மா, I will call him now immediately. She immediately called him. அடுத்த நிமிஷம் within 5 minutes he was in office. I think he was waiting for that in the road. எப்போ கூப்பிடுவாங்க வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Within 5 minutes he was there in the office. I was shocked. என்னடா நம்ம கூப்பிட்டா ஒரு போன் எடுக்க கூட இல்ல. சரி anyways he was so I think he was very much attached to principal madam. மேடம் கொஞ்சம் வாங்க கொடுத்தாங்க, நான் கூப்பிட்டா நீ வரணும்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க போல இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி. And so exam department, especially office, is going to really miss Sridhar sir and Rajendran sir with and all the files, other things, because Rajan sir joined in this school and retired in this school. That is a big achievement for some people who don't get that. And I really pray God that they should have good and healthy retired life. Please sir, please whenever you have time, please come to the office, meet us. We will never forget you. And you also please don't forget it. And his best from grandson. I think he should have one more grandson. I don't know what is his mind, what his family is thinking. Grandchild vanda marmagal agidla. So I think within 3 months he will go and have another grandson or grandson. Congratulations sir. Thank you very much. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Now I call upon our senior most teacher and HM in charge, Madam Usha, madam. Respected principal madam, vice principal madam, and my dear friends, and the senior teachers of our Vidyalaya who has already retired, and the senior staff of our sub-staff of our Vidyalaya. Very nice to meet you all once again. Whatever our Padma madam said, that we start from Rajendran sir and from Sridhar sir. The first day when I entered our school, 2006, I met Rajendran sir. I don't know whether he remembers or not. Madam, vaanga madam. KVDG given vandinga. Vaanga madam. So really, that bhavyam we never expected in other schools from the other sub-staff. I must really say, KV Meenambalkar is really blessed with very good sub-staff. I worked at Assam, I worked at different places of India. I never seen. I used to think, is it possible to have such a sub-staff in the Kendriya Vidyalayas? Because I worked at Island Grounds, Kalpalpam, those places I have seen. Really, the principals of this Vidyalaya, they are really lucky to have such a. Not only that, teachers also. Whatever you ask our Sridhar sir, madam, bank ponugla, he will come to my room or wherever I am there in the class, he will come. Even Rajendran sir also, they both will come to us. I have to just put our Sridhar, I have to hold the bank. Then immediately he will come, take the check from me, check leave from me, and he will bring the slip from the lesson, whatever it is, and I just write and give him. That's all. Evening, by evening, I will get the money. Thank you very much for the support you gave me, because I was away from them. My husband was not here. It was a wonderful help I got, a timely help I got from these two people. Same with all the cases, that is examination department. Lot of bundles of papers will be, piled bundles of papers will be there in the department. He used to bring that card, what this is the ruling, this one. He will bring it to the department and take everything and put it in the biggest box is there. No? Thank you very much for the support you gave us for the primary section as well as me personally. Thank you very much. And coming to my daughter's teacher, Mr. Kumareshan sir. I know you, sir. I know you. Without your support, my daughter would not have got 95 marks in mathematics. Really, sir? Today morning when I asked my daughter, she said, Amma, is it my theories? My doctor's words is me. Such a wonderful teacher. I'm sorry, sir. I'm very sorry. I have become emotional. When I asked my daughter, she said, very patient listener. Even the smallest doubt we ask, he will teach 101 times, Amma, and he's not judgmental. Such a word he used. Kanil, what is your Kumareshan sir is retired. He already retired. What should we speak about Kumareshan sir? She said, Amma, he is not judgmental, Ma. Kindly use that word. She will definitely come and meet you, sir, in person. After the exams are over, definitely she will come. And he is not judgmental in clarifying the students' doubts, and hardworking and dedicated teacher. Sir, really the family of mine is, we owe you, sir. Because of you only, my daughter got 95% in mathematics. I am really very, very much thankful. Coming to my madam, Jasmine madam, she just resembles my teacher, Mangal Darsi madam. Very soft, the way in which she dresses, really madam, wonderful. See, if you just wear the saree and come, will come. She's not like that. Very decent, and the way in which she wears the saree, really I admire you, madam, in all ways. Very, 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 very polite. Very polite. Really, madam. I enjoyed the company of madam in the staff room. Thank you very much, madam, for the support you gave us. Like, குட்டி வந்து ஆமை குட்டி வந்து ஒரு கடைசியில இருக்குமா, ஒரு கரையில இருக்குமா. ஆமை வந்து பெரிய ஆமை வந்து ஒரு it will be standing in one place. Just by the look, it will take care of. Like that, such a wonderful look you have towards us, madam. Thank you very much for that. It was necessary for us whenever we wanted. And coming to my dear Rajalakshmi Emma, myself and Emma, we joined in the same year, I remember, 87. And we attended instant courses, KV, IIT, in 2000 as PRP, she attended along with me. I think madam must remember, or maybe she would have forgotten. And you know, the scale, senior scale and all those scales, we used to compare. Hey Raji, what did you get? What Usha, what did you get? Because we had some discrepancies in our there is some inside discourse we did not attend, all these problems we had. So we used to compare. And thank you very much, Raji. That is last year when my parents were there, she came to my house to take the blessings from my parents. Really, all the teachers and my dear Sridhar sir and Rajendra sir, you're all very close to our heart. Really, all of you are very close to our heart. Whenever we think about you, we have some Patamuchi Paradinishals. I should say that. The reason is, when you think about something, my husband always used to say, a thing of beauty is joy forever. Whenever we think about you, there is some joy we get. See, it's the way of doing and the way in which we carry ourselves, everything it matters a lot. And we had a nice time with every one of you. I hope all of you are going to come for the next academic year physically. So we will continue the same thing. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me, and thank you once again. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Now I invite our budding star of the mathematics department, Vandana Soni, madam.
Respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and teachers, good afternoon to all. I would like to share some memories and thoughts with Rajshri ma'am, Jansi ma'am, and Krishnan sir. Key gems of mathematics department. As a beginner, it was very difficult for me to handle co-curricular activities and so many of them. So I learned so many things. Like Jansi ma'am, Krishnan sir, Rajshri ma'am. Jansi ma'am is a mentor. She has changed me. So, as a beginner, it was very difficult for me to handle co-curricular activities and so many things. So, Jasmine ma'am and Arisha ma'am made it easy for me. So, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And I want to learn more things from you. And I'm pretty sure that you will help.
Thank you, madam. From the mathematics department, we pass on to the social department. Lalini, madam. Respected Principal Madam, DK Madam, Government Friends, Rajima, President Sir, Justin Madam, staff members, good afternoon. Let me start with a small point. ஏத்தகு வித்தகர்களின் மேதகு பிரிவு புஸ்தகம் முதல்வர் உள்ளிட்ட அவைக்கு என் முதற்கண் வணக்கங்கள். மும்மூர்த்திகளின் பணி நிறைவரும் காலம் எண்களை மட்டும் வைத்து பலர் வாழ்வில் வண்ணங்களை சேர்க்கும் எங்கள் முப்பெரும் ஆசான் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய பணி ஓய்வு வாழ்த்துக்கள். Every experience God gives us and every person He puts in our life is a perfect preparation for the future that only God can see. So let me thank our Principal Madam again, Uma Madam, for giving me this opportunity for share my association with my beloved Raji Ma'am. Raji Ma'am don't need any introduction. She is meant for a source of inspiration. We always encouraged by her motivations. It's time for her lifelong relaxation. She handled every situation with perfection. The challenges that she faced are about imagination, but tackled the things with the positive vibrations. She is the role model of young generation. Problems and solutions are part of maths teacher identification. She builds confidence in every construction. Never give up the spirit of her passion. She treats everyone with compassion. She is the icon of great attraction, who is also a mixture of rare combination. She tries and works out different calculations, but never tried of doing any long corrections. I'm sorry, I said, but never tired of doing any long corrections. Prayers and beliefs are her strong foundation. I'm always grateful and thankful for your all cooperation. Okay, and Raji Madam is an energetic person that everyone knows, who brings positive vibration through her speech, action, and the immediate response for everything that will always guide us to move forward. She is the old model of latest version and always updates her knowledge with power and positive. Then last, I have prepared myself because usually I used to get emotional. I don't know if it will happen here because I'm so happy. I hope and she will definitely continue. That spirit makes me to live it. I got okay. Thank you for your endless patience, motivation, and encouragement. You will be missed, but never be forgotten. Your memories will ever cherish and goals beautify my life always. Thank you. Now, thanks. Thank you, Nalini Madam. See, since we are in a pandemic situation, you should say it is a blessing in disguise because many of our relatives, as Madam said, those who are not present here also, the family members, they can also witness the farewell party of their parents. And not only that, you will be very much surprised. Maths department of K.V. Meenambakam is getting wishes online also. Since the teaching is not only online, the wishes are also online. தமிழில் மிகவும் புலமை படைத்த ஒருவர் எல்லோரும் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருப்பீர்கள் என்று நினைக்கிறேன். அவர் இப்போது திரையில் வரப்போகிறார். He is none other than our Arangan sir, who doesn't know want any introduction. Yes, over to Arangan sir.
Vanakkam. Am I audible to everybody?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Wait பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Sir, இப்ப பேசுங்க.
வணக்கம். கேக்குதா? கேக்குது இல்லையா எல்லாருக்கும்?
கேக்குது சார்.
மைக் இல்லாதே பேசுற மைக் டைசன் நானு. எனக்கே மைக் வைக்கிறீங்க. வணக்கம். மேத்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இருக்கிற 3 பேரு. சோ போன ஆள் நான் அவங்கள விஷ் பண்ணலன்னா அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு? So respected principal, vice principal and the பஞ்சரத்ன கீர்த்தனை இருக்கு பாருங்க ஸ்டேஜ்லயே 5 பேரு. 3 மேத்ஸ் 2 குரூப் டி இருக்காங்க. So I'm very happy to see all of you and I am very highly thankful to you for making me participating in the virtual farewell. Actually yesterday madam called me even for the lunch. I could not come. You all know that the pandemic situation, senior citizen, so seriously taken care. So I could not make it. I see all the maths department. This meeting is very successful, I should say, because பேசாத ஆளெல்லாம் பேச வச்சிருக்காங்க. பத்மா மேடம் புலம்பு லட்டிட்டு போயிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கடுத்து வந்தனா மேடம் பேசுறாங்க. என்ன இது மேடம் வந்து பிரின்சிபல் மேடம் எல்லாம் பேசாத ஆளெல்லாம் பேச வைக்கக்கூடிய ஆளுதான். அது எல்லாம் கவிதை படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சுட்டாங்க. நம்ம இல்லைன்ற குறையே கிடையாது. அது நளினி மேடம் பண்ண அந்த ஒரே சிச்சுவேஷன், confusion, conclusion, all the decision was very good to hear. So to start with Kumaresan sir, எல்லாருமே சொன்ன மாதிரி அவருடைய மண் நெல்லை மண். நெல்லைனாலே நமக்கெல்லாம் பாரதியார் ஞாபகம் வரும், வாவு சிதம்பரனார் ஞாபகம் வரும், வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மன் ஞாபகம் வரும். அவங்களோட சேர்த்து நம்ம குமரேசன் சார், குமரேசன் பேர்லயே பிள்ளை பிராயத்திலே பெரிய பெயர் பெற்றவனே உள்ளமெல்லாம் உருகுதையா அந்த பாட்டை கேட்கணும் நீங்க. பிள்ளை பிராயத்திலே பெரிய பெயர் பெற்றவன் தான் குமரேசன். குமரனுக்கே ஈசனானவன் குமரேசன். நாளென் செய்யும் வினைதான் என் செய்யும் என்னை நாடி வந்த கோல் என் செய்யும் குறுங்கூற்று என் செய்யும் குமரேசன் இரு தாளும் சலங்கையும் என் கண்முன் வந்து தோன்றிடுங்கன்னு அருணகிரிநாதரே சொல்லிட்டு போன குமரேசன் அவரு. சார் வந்து வெரி பேஷண்ட், வெரி ஸ்கில்டு, எஃபிஷியன்ட், இன்னும் என்னென்ன வேர்டு நம்ம போடணும், வெரி பிளானிங் எக்ஸிகியூஷன். அவர்கிட்ட எதுவுமே எல்லாம் வெல் பிளான் அண்ட் எக்ஸிகியூஷன். வெரி சைலண்ட் டீச்சர். அவர் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல இருக்கிறதே நமக்கு தெரியாது, ஆனா பசங்க வாங்க மார்க்கில் தான் சார் எப்படி அச்சீவ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு நமக்கு தெரியும். அப்படிப்பட்ட டீச்சர், நோ டவுட் அபவுட் இட். அண்ட் மெயின் திங் இஸ் ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி. அவங்க ஃபேமிலியே, அமுதாம்பிகை மேடம் ஆகட்டும், அவங்களாகட்டும், அந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி யாருக்குமே வராது. நானும் சாந்தி மேடம் தான் ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கும். திருநெல்வேலிக்கு போய் பாருங்க, அவங்க தங்க வீட்டுல தங்கினீங்கன்னா தெரியும் உங்க எல்லாருக்கும். திருநெல்வேலி அது எல்லாரும் அல்வா கொடுப்பாங்க பேச்சுல தான், ஆனா இவங்க நிஜமாவே அல்வா கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்படிப்பட்ட சாரு. அவருக்கு என்ன கொஞ்சம் கோவம் வரும், அவ்வளவுதான். அது கூட எப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, கொஞ்சம் கோவம் வரும். குணமென்னும் குன்றேறி நின்றார் வெகுளி கடநேரம் காத்தல் எரிது. ரொம்ப பெரியவங்க கோவம் போய் படக்கூடாது, அப்படி படுவார் அவரு. ஆனா அப்பப்ப வந்து நம்ம நரசிம்மர் கோவப்படும் போது லக்ஷ்மி வந்து சமாதானப்படுத்துற மாதிரி அமுதாம்பிகை மேடம் வந்து சமாதானப்படுத்திடுவாங்க. அதனால அந்த ஒரு இதுதான் அவருக்கு எல்லாரையும் பிடிக்கும். ஆனா அவருக்கு சர்க்கரையை பிடிக்கும் ரொம்ப. சர்க்கரை அவரை ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கு. அவரு நானும் ஒரே குரூப் தான் இருந்தால் மேத்ஸ் டீச்சரோட மட்டும் இல்ல, சர்க்கரையிலயும் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்தா இருக்கும். அடுத்தது ஜாஸ்மின் மேடம், வெரி அஃபெக்ஷனேட். என்னுடைய லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைட்ல உட்கார்றவங்க. அவங்க வந்த உடனே ஒரு புன்சிரிப்பு. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் வந்து என்னுடைய கிராண்ட் டாக்டரை பத்தி பேசுவேன், அவங்க அவங்க கிராண்ட் சன்னை பத்தி பேசுவாங்க. ஒரு கிருஷ்ணரை பத்தி ஒரு ராதையை பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருப்போம் டெய்லி. 2 பேர் பண்ற மிச்சோனஸ் நாங்க ஷேர் பண்ணிப்போம். மேத்ஸ்ல மட்டும் இல்ல, எல்லாத்துலயுமே அவங்க கிட்ட டவுட் கேட்டு கிளியர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் தென் இப்ப நல்ல தமிழ்ல கவிதை படிச்சாங்க போன வாட்டி, 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி என்னுடைய ஃபேரல் பார்ட்டி. அப்ப எல்லாருமே போயிட்ட பிறகு கூட எங்க ஃபேமிலி மட்டும் தான் இருந்தது ஸ்கூல்ல. கடைசியில வந்து கார்ல வந்து எங்களை வழி அனுப்பிச்சுட்டு போனாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு அஃபெக்ஷனேட் ஜாஸ்மின் மேடம். அப்புறம் நம்ம எம்எஸ்ஆர் கேட்கவே வேணாம். அவங்க ராஜலட்சுமி பாட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். என்ன பாட்டு தெரியுங்களா? காசு மேல காசு வந்து கொட்டுகிற நேரம் இது, வாசக்கதவ ராசலட்சுமி தட்டுகிற வேலை. இது ஏன் தெரியுமா? ராஜலட்சுமி பேருக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி இல்ல, அந்த ராஜலட்சுமின்னு இருக்கவங்களுடைய பசங்க எல்லாம் ரொம்ப கிராண்டா இருப்பாங்க. ஒரு உதாரணத்துக்கு கமல்ஹாசன் எடுத்துக்கோங்களேன். கமல்ஹாசனுடைய மதர் வந்து ராஜலட்சுமி. இப்ப 6ஆமதுடைய அம்மா பேர் கூட ராஜலட்சுமி தான். அதையும் நீங்க நோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்படி ராஜலட்சுமின்ற பேருக்கு அவங்க பத்தி அவங்க கிட்ட பெரிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா, அவங்க தைரியலட்சுமி. எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க அஷ்டலட்சுமியில எந்த லட்சுமி உங்ககிட்ட வரணும்னு கேட்டா தைரியலட்சுமி தான் முதல்ல வரணும். தைரியலட்சுமி வந்தா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா 7 லட்சுமி நம்ம பின்னாடி வந்துருவாங்க. எப்படி ஒரு துணிச்சலான ஆளி. நான் வீழ்வேன் என்று நினைத்தாங்க, எத்தனை தடவை விழுந்திருக்காங்க, எத்தனை தடவை காலில் அடிபட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ எழுந்து வீழ்வேன் என்று நினைத்த பேட்டையில ரஜினி மாதிரி எழுந்து நின்றுடுவாங்க அப்பப்போ. அப்படிப்பட்ட துணிச்சலான மேடம். நானு ராஜலட்சுமி மேடமும் 1987ல காரைக்குடியில் இண்டக்ஷன் கோர்ஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணோம். அவங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். அப்போ வந்து இந்த நவீன திருவிளையாடல் போட்டாங்க. அதுல வந்து வாட்டர் இஸ் ஆர்டர்லெஸ், வாட்டர் இஸ் கலர்லெஸ், இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அதை தீமா வச்சு ஒரு டிராமா. அதுல அவங்க நக்கீரரு, கல்யாணி செண்பகராமன், சிவனு, தர்மியா யார் இருப்பார் தெரியுமா? உங்களுக்கே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், சொல்ல வேண்டாம். நான் தான் பார்வேந்தே என் பாட்டுடன் வந்திருக்கும் என்னை பார்வேந்தேன்னு ஒரு தர்மி கேரக்டர் நமக்கு. அன்னைக்கு நக்கீரரா இருந்தாங்கல்ல, எப்பவுமே அவங்க நக்கீரர் தான். ஹையர் அபிஷியல் ஆகட்டும், சாதாரண ஆகட்டும், தப்பு பார்த்தாங்கன்னா அவ்வளவுதான், விடவே மாட்டாங்க. என் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரோ இல்லைன்னா ஏதோ டைம் டேபிள், நான் பிரின்சிபல் ஈஸியா சைன் வாங்கிடுவேன். பிரின்சிபல் 6ஆவது கொண்டு தான் சைன் போட்டுருவாருன்னு தெரியும். ஆனா அது ராஜலட்சுமி சைன் வாங்குறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அப்படி துணிச்சலான ஒரு ஆளு. என் லைஃப்லயே ஒரே ஒரு லேடி தான் எனக்கு லிஃப்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அது யாரா? ராஜலட்சுமி தான். அவங்க வண்டியில் தான் உட்காந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு ஒரு தான் வந்திருக்கேன். நான் தைரியமா எட்டி கூப்பிட்டு வந்தாங்க. எனக்கு தான் பயமா இருந்தது அவங்க ஓட்டுற வேகத்தை பார்த்த உடனே, எங்கேயா கீழே விழுந்துருவோம்னு. அப்படிப்பட்ட துணிச்சலான மேடம். ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட் லேடி. அவங்க ரூமுக்கு போனீங்கன்னா எப்ப பாரு டேபிள் ஏதாவது ஸ்வீட் இருக்கும். டயபெட்டிஸ் ஏறதுக்கு கூட அது ஒரு காரணம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். 2 பேர் தான் வீட்டுல, ஆனா ஸ்வீட் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து எப்பவுமே அந்த ரூமுக்கு ஒரு வந்து அந்த நல்ல வாஸ்து சரியா இருக்கிற ரூம் அது. அங்க எல்லாம் சாப்பிடறதுக்கு எப்ப பாரு ஏதாவது கிடைக்கும். உள்ள போனீங்கன்னாலே ராஜலட்சுமி மேடமோட ஸ்வீட் இருக்கும். பிரபா மேடம் வந்து ஜம்முன்னு இந்த வேர்க்கடலை உருண்டை அதெல்லாம் கொண்டு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. நம்ம நண்டி மேடம் கோயில்பட்டி முறுக்கெல்லாம் கொடுத்து வைப்பாங்க. சோ ஒரு கட்டு கட்டலாம். ஆனா என்னன்னா யாதவ் சார் சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு மீதி தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். இப்ப அவர் இல்ல. நம்மளே சாப்பிடாத மிஸ் பண்ணா கூட வெளியில யாதவ் சார் சொல்லுவாரு, ஆறாமுதன் உள்ள போய் சாப்பிடு அப்படின்னுவாரு. நமக்கு ஒரு ஆறு கொடுத்துருவாரு. அப்படிப்பட்ட ரூம், அந்த வாஸ்து சரியா இருக்கிற ரூம் அந்த ரூம். ஷீ இஸ் எ வெரி ஸ்வீட் லேடி. நம்ம மேத் டிபார்ட்மெண்டா இருக்கட்டும், எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்டா இருக்கட்டும், அவங்க அவ்வளோ ஸ்வீட்டா பழகுவாங்க. நம்ம ஸ்ரீதர் சொல்லவே வேணாம், அவர் தான் நம்ம கேவி மீனம்பாக்கத்தோட ஃபைனான்ஸ் செக்ரட்டரி. அவர் வச்சிருக்கிற பேகை பார்த்துருப்பீங்களா? எவ்வளோ பெரிய ஒரு பேக், அதுல எத்தனை கட்டுக்கட்டா கேஷ் வச்சிருப்பாரு, எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுக்கறது வாங்குறதுன்னு. மிஸ்டர் ராஜேந்திரன் ஹம்பிள் அப்படின்னா அது ராஜேந்திரன் மட்டும்தான். எப்படி ஒரு அடக்கமாகும் அவர் இல்லைன்னா, அதான் நான் சொல்றேன், சிபிஎஸ்சி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்னா அதை தாங்கி பிடிக்க. சார் பிரின்சிபல் இல்லைன்னா கவலை இல்லை, வைஸ் பிரின்சிபல் இல்லைன்னா கவலை இல்லை, ராதா மேடம் இல்லைன்னா கவலை இல்லை, நான் இல்லைன்னா கவலை, நீங்க இல்லைன்னா தான் சார் பிரச்சனை. அதை பார்சல் பண்ணி அனுப்புறதுக்குள்ள போதும் ஆயிடும். இந்த மேடம் கூட ரொம்ப கிண்டலா சொல்லுவாங்க, என்ன ஒரு பொண்ணை வந்து வீட்டுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சுடுற மாதிரி சீர்சனத்தை எல்லாம் கொடுத்து அனுப்புற மாதிரி ஒருத்தரையும் மேடம் என்கிட்ட சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்படி சீர்சனத்தையை கட்டி அனுப்புறவர் அவர் தான். ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் 5 people, I wish them a very happy retired life. இந்த மீனம்பாக்கத்துக்கு லாஸ்ட் தான் இருந்தாலும் இப்போ வந்து புதுசா டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க எல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா மோல்ட போறாங்க. வாட் ஐ ஷுட் சே, அவர் பிரின்சிபல் இஸ் a very good molder. ஜெயஸ்ரீ மேடம், ஜோதி மேடம் கரெக்டா சொல்லணும். மோல்டர்ன்றது கரெக்டா இங்கிலீஷான்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. You give her gold, she will make it as a beautiful earring. You give her silver, she can make a shining anklet. You give her brass, she will make it into a ringing temple bell. You give her clay, she can make it into a beautiful doll of Lord Vinayaka to be worshipped on the Vinayaka Chaturthi. So that much capacity our madam has. இது ரொம்ப அதிர்ஷ்டம். நாங்கெல்லாம் வந்து மேடம் இருக்கும்போதே ரிட்டையர் ஆயிடுறோம். ஆனால் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இந்த மீட்டிங், வர்ச்சுவல் மீட்டிங்லயே என்னையும் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண வச்சிங்க. ஐ வெரி 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 ஹாப்பி and I wish on behalf of my family and members a very happy and peaceful retirement life to all the 5 people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much sir. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவா கருப்பு இல்லாத கல்யாணமா அப்படின்னு. எந்த ஒரு ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் பார்ட்டியும் ஆறாவது ஸ்பீச் இல்லைன்னா அது வந்து சுவைக்காது. அதனால ஐ ரியலி தேங்க் ஆறாவது சார் ஃபார் ஹிஸ் presence here. Thank you sir very much.
Thank you madam.
Next is our English department heroines. Yes. Here I would like to mention Prabha madam was very much interested to come and say her wishes, but due to her health she could not come. She conveyed her wishes to all the retirement teachers. Yes. Now I call upon our Jayashree madam.
Respected Principal Madam, Vice Principal Madam, Lions of Kendra Vidyalaya Meenambakkam, and my dear staff members, my dear colleagues, warm greetings to all of you. In the year 1961, people say, I was not born that time, people say that something shining was found on the sky. And then soon after, you can see that Lions of Kendra Vidyalaya members, these people were born. And really, if I want to speak about Rajendran sir, Rajendran, the moment I entered the school in 2002, I met Rajendran, and he used to be very, very friendly with everyone and very humble, and whatever you ask him, he will definitely help you, and with a smile, no problem madam, no problem madam, for everything no problem. And Sridhar also the same way, he has got my so many watches repaired. And he set my time all right. So many times. and he had been of great help to me in first year. Coming to Rajalakshmi Madam, today Rajesh has sent one thought. Make courage your companion and success will be yours. The moment I read this morning, I'm speaking of Rajalakshmi Madam only. Courage, courage. Wow, what a bold lady she is. Once she was saying, why are you late, Raji? She's fondly called as Raji by everyone. Today, what happened in the subway? I fell down. Then what happened? Somebody helped me and I got onto that vehicle and now I am here. What is this? You didn't go home over any problem with your leg, hand, and nothing, no problem. No problem. Madam, I should confide, she never taught one particular chapter, one particular topic. Negative integers. She will never teach that. Because the word negative is there, she will never teach. Rajalakshmi Madam means only positive. Positive, positive, positive. Appa, in my life I have never seen such a person. And then Raji, one problem. What problem? No problem, I will take it. Anything you go to her, she will be having a ready-made solution to that. She knows how to deal with colleagues, she knows how to deal with the truant children, how to deal with problematic parents. Whenever I have any problem with my children in the class, I put the word to Rajalakshmi Madam. She will beautifully deal. The next time, no deal will be there, especially these mischief mongers. I still remember one Gokul, how she dealt with that boy. He used to be a big problem for all the teachers, few years back. And she called the parent immediately and she gave left and right. See, reasonably only she will talk. I don't say that she will shout at all the parents, but she knows what, when and what, how to put it. And rightly she will put it. She won't mince words. She had been a constant support for all the teachers in the staff room, and her hospitality has no end. She should be in hospitality field. And I told her, after the retirement, you better take up a YouTube channel and recipe. If you want anything that remains, she can make anything. A new dish. A woman of novelty. Very rare, very rare. I have never seen. Really saying, this is not for this meeting I am saying. The word courage itself, I can see Rajalakshmi Madam. All the best to Madam. May God bless you with good health and happy retired life. Coming to Kumareshan sir, we are all blessed to be associated with such a man of calmness, serenity. You go to him with the wild thoughts and happy things. The moment you go and share your feelings to him, அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணே இல்ல மேடம், பாத்துக்கலாம் மேடம். சார் நாளைக்கு என்னால வர முடியாது சார், நீங்க எப்படி இதை பண்ணுவீங்க? I can manage madam. Such a man, he is very soft spoken, gentle, very hardworking and systematic in his plan, and he will execute it as Mr. Aravind sir said. Wonderful man. I have been associated with him for such a long time, and both sir and madam, both very good friends. May God bless you with good health, sir. Happy retired life, sir. And coming to Jasmine madam, lily by the side of a rock. Here, Jasmine by the side of a rock. Someday fragments will come. Where? You will be seeing here and there. Yes, quietly that Madhura Malli will be spreading its fragments. Myself, madam is in that staff room, I am here in this staff room. But morning time, like the two ants will, you would have watched ants, they'll meet and talk something for a short period of time and then move on. In that way, myself and Jasmine madam meet for a second And within 1 second, I learned something motivational, and she will encourage you. No, she will never allow you to say anything which is otherwise. She will tell no, no problem illa madam. You exercise பண்ணுங்க சரியா இருக்கும் சரியா இருக்கும். Very positively she will talk. Very sweet person. She will spread her fragrance everywhere wherever she is. I think she will continue here and continue to spread her fragrance. And with these words, I once again wish all the retiring staff and also their family members a happy life ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Now we pass on to the senior most of the English department. With so many colors, so many adjectives we can add upon her. A silent speaker, but to the point, she speaks and it touches every heart. She is very close to Jasmine madam. I call upon Jyoti madam.
Yes.
What a delight to stand in front of the mic. Thank you, Uma ma'am, respected Madam Principal, Vice Principal, my dear Jasmine ma'am, Kumaresan sir, Rajalakshmi ma'am, Sridhar sir, and Rajesh sir. Good afternoon to everyone. I would like to keep my good wishes as brief and as sweet as possible. All the three special teachers who are here have something common. There is an intersection. Okay, I'm going to use mathematical terms. There's an intersection. What is that intersection? If you carefully observe their names, look into their names, they have some kind of royalty in their name. Okay, Raja Lakshmi, the Raja. Kumaresan, Prince. And Jasmine, Selva, Rani. And all the three are matchless. They add beauty, they have spread beauty wherever they have gone and wherever they have worked. I don't want to differentiate my friends here, though I have been asked in particular to speak about Jasmine ma'am. I'm sure everybody knows about Jasmine ma'am, and I think we know that. But I don't want to differentiate, I want to integrate. So, here I go. What did these people, my friends here, Rajalakshmi ma'am, Kumaresan sir, and Jasmine ma'am, have added to the life of students? They have added values to the life of children. They have not only taught them addition, they have also taught them values which will help them live an honorable life. I think that is what the purpose of education is all about. Now going about with subtraction. What did they help the children to subtract? Okay, it's easy, that's what the accountants do, not allowed to subtract. Minus, 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 they love to do that. But what do these teachers teach the children? Subtract distraction. Subtract fear of maths. Today, this morning, I was going through a research paper. Okay, find out what is the reason behind fear. Why do children fear especially numbers? Number one is already the idea that numbers which are in different peculiar shapes taunt them. The other is the teachers themselves. These teachers have removed and subtracted fear from their life, and that is why children stay behind,
for remedial classes. They don't mind being called, labeled remedial when it comes to mathematics. You find even the brightest sitting amongst them because he also has some residual fear which he wants to get rid of, and so he is there. What if they multiply? What if they multiply? Happiness, right? They multiplied the hopes in the hearts of not only us, the school, but also the parents. The parents come and they bother the maths teacher the most, right? When people came to know that I was a teacher, my family is very proud to introduce me. My husband says, my wife is a teacher in KV. Oh, teacher? Yes. She teaches class 12. Oh, class 12. Then, is she teaching mathematics? Then I said, no sir, language. So, mathematics is wanted most. Nobody bothers a language teacher. A language teacher, okay. Language can be learned. Mathematics are taught. It has to be ingrained. And these people have done it so. They have a magical band of friendliness about them, confidence about them, and they have earned the respect. It's very difficult to earn the respect of children. And these people have earned it by being exemplary model, and that is why they shall remain our rivals. I think these people will remain my rivals forever. And finally, what did they integrate in the life of the children? They integrated their personality so very well. Rajalakshmi ma'am, whenever I find time, when I feel lonely in that big staff room, I run to that staff room. And Raji ma'am tells me, this student of mine is so and so in life. And the child fondly remembers the teacher. The child fondly remembers the maths teacher. How many teachers are remembered these days? And that these people have their own crowd, fans, and mathematics too. A child is so fond of a mathematics teacher is unheard of. It's very popular for a language teacher to be most sought teacher. But a mathematics teacher to be the most sought teacher is something unheard of. I think these three have earned it. And I convey my best regards and prayers for the welfare of your family. I thank you, Rajalakshmi ma'am, for all the, we must have spoken at least put together. I have served around 5 years in the school. Put together, I would have spent around 1 month's time with you. But I mean it very, very, very precious time. And thank you for the time I have spent with you. And you have always have something to share. Jyoti, இது சாப்பிட்டு பாரு என்னன்னு சொல்லு இது என்னன்னு சொல்லு. This always a quiz about and she enjoys every moment of life, and I think I've learned that from you, ma'am. Okay, and Kumaresan sir, everybody knows he's very silent worker, and you know that silence is only of the saints, no, they don't speak much. They are very quiet, and whatever they think, they are able to manifest. I would like to remind my friend, senior Kumaresan sir, that strength is within you, and you can manifest anything that you want, even whatever tough time you are going through. Let me tell you that our prayers are with you. You can manifest whatever you want in life, and I wish you the very best from the bottom of my heart. Not only for you, but for also Madam and your family. My wishes and prayer. And Jasmine ma'am has always spread auspiciousness. She has shared lily flowers with me, and she would write quotes on the board, and she would always spread. Saturday, when schools used to work, Saturday is the day wherein I am completely bogged down. From period 1 to the last period, I have classes. First period, say last period, but Saturday, when the school used to work, I had classes. And Jasmine ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, remember tired, have some water. breathe. Okay? Okay, do you feel okay now? So she's always like being a mentor to me. I'm very happy and fortunate that she was right there sitting in front of me. Right there in front of me as if a motherly figure guiding me, telling me, and you don't know, I grumble a lot. Jasmine ma'am knows that. I complain a lot. Principal ma'am doesn't know, VP ma'am doesn't know. I complain a lot. Jasmine ma'am knows that. And she says, Jyoti, எல்லாருக்கும் ஏதோ கஷ்டம் இருக்குப்பா. Right? Let's remember that. This will also go by. Be patient. Okay? God is watching your work. He will reward you. He will reward you. He will always be my, what to say, spiritual guide. And if at all, if there is any spiritual flame in me, I think it was ignited by people like Jasmine ma'am. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for that. And Sridhar sir, என்ன சொல்றோம், என் ஹஸ்பண்ட் தெரியும் ஸ்ரீதர் சார் யாருன்னு சொன்னா, ஸ்ரீதர் சார் ரிட்டர்ன் விட்டோம், நம்ம தெரியாது அதுக்குள்ளே ரிட்டர்ன் சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னு. எஸ், he thought I was my husband. See, look at him. So Sridhar sir, when I told him that you have returned, he couldn't believe. He has conveyed his wishes to you also. And Sridhar sir is one man who loves his family a lot. He's so proud of his son and daughter-in-law. என்னோட daughter-in-law, என்னோட பையன், he's so proud of them. And these are the days where parents now, probably for certain domestic problems, they don't want to share about their family, matters. Though he does not share in depth, whatever he tells me that he is happy with his family. And I pray that God, good Lord, showers happiness to your family, and He takes care of all your needs, your daughter-in-law, your grandson, your son, the entire clan. God takes good care of you. Rajendran sir, என்ன சொல்லணும்? He wants to give a personal touch. Okay? He இருந்தும் போகணும்னு இருக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாரு. இருந்தும் போகணும்னு இருக்கக்கூடாது. That means we have also walked on earth. Several people have walked on this earth. We have also walked on this earth. I walked on this earth. What is the proof? What is the proof that Rajendran walked on the premises of Kendra Vidyalaya Meenambakam? His services speak. Right? Nobody can miss it. People can even forget people like me. Right? They come and go. But silent workers like Rajendran sir can never be forgotten. Can never be forgotten. Jayashree ma'am is a great admirer of Rajendran sir. Jayashree ma'am. Always Rajendran sir. Ma'am, அவங்கள மாதிரி பார்க்கவே முடியாது. உண்மை, rather than she talked about Rajendran sir, I began to pay closer attention to him. Then I could see that Jayashree ma'am was 100% right about this personality. And I've seen him work in and out, always on toes. It's not a casual walk. It is like brisk walk. Every minute I spend in the school must be meaningful. And he goes on working. And I've seen Sridhar sir also sweat and work. And in the this building, this school, right, is blessed. And we are all fortunate that this day, amidst this pandemic, okay, somebody's perseverance, somebody's true prayer has been answered today. And this retirement ceremony, which was being postponed for all the almost 3-4 months, could materialize today. So this is a new sign of greater things to come. Greater things to come. I am very fortunate that I could speak a few words. I pray that I seek your blessings. Everyone should bless me. I demand your blessings. I seek your blessings. I am very like a seed trying to sprout in the garden of Kendra Vidyalaya Meenambakam for a long time under the care of our principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am. I don't want to work under any other principal or vice principal. Let me be very clear. Only these men. And I want your blessings that I can also complete my tenure like glorious like you. And I seek your blessings for my family and for my colleagues here, seated here. Thank you.
See, we are all in the teaching profession, and KVS says us to have integrated teaching. என்னப்பா அது integrated teaching? இப்போ integrated speech எடுத்தோமே நம்ம, starting from the first word, mathematics is integrated with English. So it is, Madam has proved that we can do marvelously the integrated teaching in all subjects. Science also கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. She has brought science also, a small speech to sprout. So in a small speech of 5 minutes, she could bring so many languages together, so many subjects together. She has made us see that we also integrate all subjects. Thank you very much, Jyoti ma'am. Now we have our chemistry madam. Yes, who integrates our Tamil language, mother tongue also in her speech. தமிழ் வந்து தேனா பாய போது இப்போ இங்க குமரேசன் சார் மாத்திரம் இல்லாம மத்த எல்லாரையுமே அவங்க வந்து தே மாதிரி பாய போறாங்க. எஸ், வெல்கம் மேடம்.
Respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am, and 5 stalwarts of KV Meenambakkam, Kumaresan sir, Jasmine ma'am, Raji ma'am, Rajendran Anna and Sridhar Anna. Good afternoon all of you. I thank Uma madam and principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity. My best wishes to all the 5 of you legends on the behalf of KV Meenambakkam on your superannuation. என்ன பேசுறது, எப்படி பேசுறது, எல்லாமே பேசிட்டாங்க எல்லாருமே. I would love to put in a few words. Rajendran Anna, நீங்க எல்லாம் சொன்னீங்க ஒரு எக்ஸாம் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்க்கும் பிசிக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்க்கும் ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல். பட் எனக்கும் நடராஜன் அண்ணாவுக்கு தான் தெரியும் how much he has helped the chemistry department also. அந்த பிசிக்ஸ் லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டு மேடம் இங்க நாங்க இதை முடிச்சிட்டோம், அங்க நீங்க முடிச்சீங்களா, இங்க எக்ஸ்டர்னல் சாப்பிட்டாங்க, அங்க சாப்பிட்டாங்களா, இங்க வடை வந்துருச்சு, அங்க எக்ஸ்டர்னல் வடை வந்துதா, அங்க சாப்பாடு வந்துருச்சு, அங்க சாப்பாடு வந்துதா, everything, every stone he will turn, no stone is left unturned. அந்த அளவுக்கு அவர் ரெண்டு லேபையுமே பார்த்துட்டாரு. நடராஜன் அண்ணா நான் சொல்றது கரெக்டா? எஸ். So thank you Rajendran Anna. Sridhar Anna, I am such a forgetful person. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் ஃபோன் பண்ணி லேபுக்கு வந்து செக் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி சிபிஎஸ்இ ஃபார்ம்ஸ் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி everything we used to do. Thank you Sridhar Anna. Kumaresan sir, he's like an Anna to me always. Jasmine ma'am, when I got frustrated and when I left the class and I went home directly, of course only by 2:40, she came home after me and she was telling, no, this is not the way. You should not get frustrated with the children. You should not get frustrated with your teaching. This is how you have to teach. This is how you have to develop yourself. And the words that you have motivated, madam, I'll never forget. Raji ma'am, Hiva, I don't know what she will be calling, and she will drag my hand and take me to staff room and she will give me something to eat. Always, never, madam, I will not forget your hospitality. All the 3 of you are my daughter's teachers. I take this opportunity, this is the right platform to record and register my gratitude to all the 3 of you. Amadambiki ma'am and Kumaresan sir are godmother and godfather for my daughter, no doubt about it. Jasmine ma'am, even I was surprised when she was uttering that word. Jasmine ma'am is my daughter's lady love. She loves you ma'am to the core of her heart. And Rajalakshmi ma'am, she will say, Amma, if you are a teacher already, madam has taken her for her in 8th or 7th, I don't remember. And she developed the taste of mathematics even at that young age only because of Raji ma'am. I was asked to talk about Kumaresan sir in this meeting by Uma madam. Kumaresan sir is the harmonious blend of very pleasant and desirable traits of human. Simplicity, humility and personality. Simplicity, my name is Kumaresan. I see the manifestation of motherhood when he deals with the students. He scales to the maximum, not only Kumaresan sir, all the three of you, in care and concern, affection and compassion, knowledge and reasoning. I have always noticed a unique feature. He identifies the unsung heroes, even our Jasmine ma'am. They identify the unsung heroes who have hidden talents in them and they never fail to appraise those talents. I have jotted it down so that I will not forget anything. They ensure that all the students are thorough with the concept of mathematics. His smartness, their smartness actually, lies in finding simple solutions to complex problems and they apply it in their day-to-day life also. And as Madam said, at last but not the least, my heartfelt expressions in my soulful Tamil. And I hope that it will fit all the three of you. Anbe Anavar, Tayum Anavar. Purikka Seelaravar, Tandayum Anavar. Arivil Chirandavar, Gurule Anavar. Panvil Chirandavar, Deivam Oppavar. பணியில் முழுமை இயல்பில் எளிமை பண்பில் பெருமை ஒழுங்கில் மேன்மை கற்றலில் இளமை கற்பித்தலில் திறமை பணிவில் தாய்மை கண்டிப்பில் தந்தைமை நெஞ்சத்தில் நேர்மை சிந்தையில் கடமை வாழ்விலே வளமை அறத்திலோ வலிமை நிகரில்லா ஆளுமை மகுடமாய் மாட்சிமை எதிலும் பாகுபாடின்மை இதுவே உங்களின் இறைமை சுற்றமும் நட்பும் போற்ற வாழ சிந்தையும் செயலும் சிறக்க வாழ வண்ணமும் வாழ்வும் செழிக்க வாழ வாழ வேண்டுகின்றோமே வேணுகோபாலன். நன்றி.
Thank you, ma'am. Sangat Tamil, Ungum Bandu Paingadu. Thank you so much. Now, I'll be failing in my duty if I don't invite the Commerce Department. Yes, here comes Shanti Madam for her wishes. Guru Pyo Namaha. Good evening, everybody. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, the great three legends of Mathematics Department and my beloved Rajendran Sir and Sridhar Sir. Let me start with Sridhar Sir. Even though my association with Sridhar Sir started here after joining KV Meenambakam, I have completed 4 years of service in KV Meenambakam. Whenever I want to deposit in banks, even if I bring cash, I mean it in right spirit. With 5 lakhs also if I give them, perfectly the money will be deposited and he will remind me also, Madam, you have been முடியலையா நீங்க review பண்ணிட்டீங்களா இல்ல document கொண்டு வரீங்களா. He is such a honest person. So every time, whenever I did so many FDs in UBI, whatever I could do in these 4 years, because every time he will tell me, Madam, நீங்க போட்டீங்களே செக் பண்ணீங்களா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கா, every time you should remind me. And many of the fixed deposits what I had in UBI, sir, I told you many times and today in the open meeting I am telling, thanks to you. Any bank work, immediately think of Sridhar sir. Sridhar sir ilaye bank vela illa. Such a honest, simple, humble. Kaale vanda onne poi sembati vechu swami vechuduvar. And sembati lana neenga Sridhar sir illa appo. In principal room, if you see the flowers kept on the photographs or portraits of God and goddesses there, you could see that, so you can understand Sridhar sir is there. Such a sincere, simple and humble man. Thank you sir for all your support and help and for the motivation also, being very committed to the work you do. Then our Rajendran sir, as Uma madam and all the other teachers, those who spoke, அந்த என்ன சொல்றது ஒரு சிம்பிளிசிட்டி அண்ட் ஹம்பிள்னஸ். யாரை பார்த்தாலும் கையை கூப்பிட்டு he will say நமஸ்தே. இந்த காலேஜ் எக்ஸாம் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல I was sitting and doing the result work. He came to me, madam, ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணுமா? He came to me 2 times. He asked, இல்ல sir, no, he didn't go. Madam, சொல்லுங்க madam, ஏதாவது ஃபைல் எடுத்து தரவா? I said no. After Satyanti left, he came again. I said no sir, simple work only I have done. Thank you very much. And even during the retirement time, last I think the beginning of the pandemic period, when I spoke to him from home because I couldn't come to school when that farewell was given, that day simple family principal's room, which was organized by Vicky madam and Yamatrika madam. That day I couldn't come due to some personal reasons. When I called him, he said, no problem madam, நீங்க எனக்காக pray பண்ணிக்கங்க. Such a lovely family he has. And both these people, they are very proud of their family. And here I even thank their family members, their spouses, their children, who are also the reasons for their success. Okay, considerers are always proud of madam. சொல்லுவாங்க உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது வேணுமா மேடம், அது காலி கிராக்ல எங்க மேடம் வந்து இருக்காங்க, அவங்களால நான் இதெல்லாம் போய் பார்த்தேன், டெல்லிக்கு போனேன். He always they speak so happy and proud about their family and about their sons and daughters. And Rajendran sir always about his daughter, and Sridhar sir about his son, daughter-in-law. So very happy to see that. As Jyoti was telling, there's always positivity. As he told, Yata Raja Tata Praja. Yata Chitra madam yahan Pracharya hai, the same way we have all the positivity. And when our AC sir came on inspection, I told we have 2 angels already amongst us. I told this to our AC sir when he came for inspection. When we were asked to show our records to them, I said we are blessed with 2 angels, the principal and vice principal. So they are the guiding and motivating factors. That is why we could achieve our results, everything in an excellent way. So these 2 people I will never forget, and thank you for all the help, sir. And I pray to the Almighty Lord and Sai to bless you and your family and lead a healthy, happy and passionate daily life. Now let me start with our Kumaresan sir. By blood, I have only one elder brother. His name is Mani, who is settled in Dubai. But even though he is not born with me, I become more emotional if I speak about Kumaresan sir. A brother indeed to me. Very affectionate person, very affectionate. Even though I was not in exam department, I used to go and sit with them. I had the liberty to, like as I do with my brother. The liberty I had with Kumaresan sir, everybody in my family knows him. In all these 26 years of my service, very few people only have visited my house. Kumaresan sir has visited with his family to my house. My husband knows him. Even if my husband Ravi would have not been posted as GM in DAC Tirupattur, he would have been here today. And such a lovely family, Annapurni and Ishwaran. And Annapurni, she is also like a mother to me, not even a sister, like a mother to me. The person whoever sees in the morning, she will ask, now I am alone at home because my husband stays in Tirupattur. So, இப்போ காலையில எனக்கு me phone பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்ப நான் சாப்பாடு ஏதாவது சமைச்சீங்களா? தனியா இருக்கணும், ஒன்றும் சமைக்காம இருக்காதீங்க, சொல்லுங்க. I bring. Such a friendly family, very affectionate. This is on the personal traits. I mean, work friend, very systematic person, very systematic, very organized, and taking things in the right spirit, not losing temper. All these things even I am able to learn. Even though I put up, I'm getting ready for receiving the selection scale, still I don't have that. I lose my temper very quickly. I'm very short-tempered person. I have to agree that. That and all I have to learn from Kumaresan. He's a very friendly person, and my only prayer to Lord Almighty that he should be very healthy. All the problems and issues he had should be definitely be removed by the Lord Almighty, and he and his family should always be in my prayers. And I pray to Lord Almighty for that. Thank you, sir, for all your motivation. And whenever I sit in exam department without you, really I feel your absence. And most of the days we don't open. That is why I tell Satwanti, please come and sit there. So Satwanti, I used to drag her to exam department and she used to sit with me. I am missing you a lot, sir, both in person as well as in the work front. Then Jasmine madam. Jasmine madam, my association with her is right from 2005 in KVIIT. Annie is here, who is a classmate of my son in KVIIT. 2005, I have come on transfer from KV Arakonam to KVIIT. From that time, I was in KVIIT and we worked there. Then I was on transfer to KV Kondo on public interest transfer. Then from, I taught her daughter. Angel was my student, and my son likes madam very much. Whether madam remembers or not, we all went to that, for excursion we went to the staff club. Chitra, some place in, I'm not getting its name, the OMR road. While returning, madam, I came in the vehicle which was arranged by the school. Madam came in auto because there was no space. My son accompanied with madam. Even today, Akshay tells about that. Jasmine madam, He used to tell me, which I don't have. I don't have that much patience. I don't have. Shraddha I have, but patience I am yet to learn for my age. Okay, so the patience and dealing with the situation, how to deal with the situation, modesty, and the God fearing. I was asking her very recently for your information. I have identified diabetic. So I was meeting people and asking what is their routine every day, who are all diabetic in our school. So I was talking to her 2 days ago. She started telling me right from morning 4:30 what is the daily routine. Okay, such a God-fearing person. She starts the day by reading the Bible. Okay, such a sincere person and non-judgmental. That also word I learned for all these three teachers. Wonderful person and a wonderful mother also, because I have seen her as a parent also, as Angel's mother. Angel is the first daughter for whom I was a teacher in +1 and +2 in KVIT. So I pray to the Lord Almighty, ma'am, let him bless you and your family, both Angel, Annie, sir, and you with good health, prosperity, happiness, and lead a passionate life. Okay, seeking your blessings, ma'am, and keep me and my family in your prayers. And I want your prayers and blessings for Akshay as he is going to get married very soon. Thank you. And Radha Lakshmi madam, my association with Radha Lakshmi madam is like the duration of KV Veenambakam. But என்னமோ தெரியல அவங்ககிட்ட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பழகினதுல இருந்து எனக்கு வந்து I used to sit in this private staff room. She sits in this TGT staff room. But I used to arrange prayer meetings in my house. Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana we regularly keep. I used to invite everybody. Once I invited her also. She said I will come. But I never expected that she will come with her husband. She came with her husband, stayed throughout, and she helped me a lot in serving for the people with activeness and ready to come forward to help. And the speed, she drives aeroplane on road. Her two-wheeler is like aeroplane on road. During rainy days, whenever I come by Uber or Ola, while going back, I will tell her, she will drop me near my house only, even though her house is not so close to my house. She will say, no, I'll go by. She will say, no, she will drop me there, and she is actually a sister to me. Very close, and many issues I used to discuss with her. She used to advise me, very positive person, bold person. Okay, MS Subbalakshmi ஞாபகம் மாதிரி நான் MS ஆரை எப்பவே ஞாபகம் because I like MS Subbalakshmi for all her Carnatic traditions, and MS also is famous for her boldness, and as Jayashree madam said, the way she deals with problematic parents, I too endorse that. She knows how to handle them in the right way with the correct choice of words. That is very, very important. And madam, I wish you, sir, and both your daughters happy, healthy, and prosperous life, and take care of your health. And one more thing I have to tell here, she underwent knee surgery. All of you might have known. My husband also has that problem, but he doesn't want to undergo surgery. So once I called madam, when she visited my house, I told her, you address my husband so that he will get the courage to undergo the knee surgery. So she is very bold person, and only positive thinking. And turning any negative situation also into positivity, seeing only positivity in any situation. That is a trait you have to learn from MSR ma'am, or I call her Raji ma'am, and every time any sweet, whatever she prepares will come in a small dipa. Not only from Amudavali ma'am, from Raji ma'am also, I often get so many dipas home to taste. Okay, and she enjoys what she does. She doesn't take it as a duty, even if it is cooking. If you ask me, I will say only few some days. When I have leisure time, I will enjoy my cooking. Working days means I take it as a duty only, I have to be honest. But she every day she enjoys, and she will tell best from the waste also. Any leftover also she will prepare very fantastic items. And as Aramudan sir said, if you go late to the staff room, when our Hindi sir was there, you will not get anything. If you have to go there, when she calls, she will tell in the morning itself. You see, I have brought this, come early and have it. If you delay, you will not get that also. I agree with it. And all these three people, okay, have certain common things: simplicity, patience, modesty, dedication, commitment to the work do, and then God fearing. All these things, including our Rajendran sir and Sridhar sir. So all these five people, you are the assets of the Vidyalaya. And on behalf of the Parivar of KV Veenambakam, I pray to the Lord Almighty to bless all His choices to blessings on all of you and all your family. May you all have a happy, healthy, and enjoyable retirement. Thank you.
Beloved.
நீங்க போய் நில்லுங்க விஜயமா நில்லுங்க போட்டோ எடுத்து சார் வாங்கோ
லைப்ரரியன் சார்
வாங்க
Sir, please, please.
வாங்க சார் வாங்க
Usha madam வாங்க ராஜேஷ்
முருகன் சார் ஒருத்தர் ஸ்ரீதர் கொடுங்க அவரே
சார் முன்னாடி வாங்க அப்படி வேணாம்
மாலையை போட்டுடுங்க தனுஷ்
Rajendran sir wanted to honor our principal madam also. Rajendran sir is honoring our principal ma'am and all the other Rajendran sir. On behalf of Rajendran sir.
Yes, sir.
மாலை போடுங்க ஸ்ரீதர் சார் மாலை போடுங்க
Thank you.